Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to open a Wells Fargo's check-ins or savings account. Now there are three ways you can do this. You can have that done online, in person, or by phone. Now the first thing, I'm going to show you the three ways to do that, but the first is to check the eligibility requirements. So to open a Wells Fargo's account, you must be at least 18 years old or 13 years old with an adult co-owner for certain accounts. The second criteria is you must be a legal US resident. The third is you need a social security number, or you must use your individual taxpayer identification number. Now assuming you meet all these eligibility requirements, you're also going to require a couple of documents. The first is two acceptable forms of identification, such as it could be a driver's license, passport, or state ID. You're going to need two of that, and you're also going to need proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement, if your identification doesn't show your current address. Now for the application process, what you want to do is you can apply online through Wells Fargo's website. The process typically takes a few minutes. Also, you can apply in person, so you just make an appointment at a Wells Fargo's branch near you, and of course bring those required documents and be prepared to provide additional information. But if you're all using the phone application, so you can just call Wells Fargo's customer service to apply over the phone. Now there's minimum opening deposits. So the minimum opening deposit for a checking or savings account is $25. So you got to take note of that. And there are a couple of types of accounts that you can open. So Wells Fargo offers various checkings and savings accounts, including prime checking, premier checking. You also have way to save savings, and you also got platinum savings. Now additional tips I got for you guys. The first is to review the account terms, fees, and of course the benefits before applying. You also want to consider setting up online banking and mobile banking for easy account management. And also, if you're under 18 or a non-permanent US resident, you may need to apply in person or have an adult co-owner. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open a Wells Fargo's checking or savings account. Hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.